Today, we will introduce an Isuzu 18.5 meter 14-arm high-altitude operation truck. It is widely used for advertising installation, power repair, tree pruning. The chassis is equipped with Isuzu 100p dual-roll cab, providing comfortable driving and seating for up to 5 people. Dual 5-speed transmission. The displacement is 3 liters. The power is 18.8 kilowatts. Multifunctional steering wheel, air conditioning, electric doors and windows, and air brake. 316-degree rotating platform, 3 folding arms, maximum operating height of 18.5 meters, maximum operating range of 8.5 meters. The nuclear load is 200 kilograms and the maximum lifting weight of the hook is 1 ton. Electric dual position operation of turntable and hanging baskets convenient and flexible. Single hydraulic lifting cylinder with bidirectional balance valve and locking function. Front and rear H-shaped adjustable hydraulic support legs with bidirectional hydraulic locks, which can be controlled separately. Equipped with flashing warning lights and safety reminders. Is this truck what you want?